The Alpine A290 is an exciting new entry into the world of electric hot hatches, bringing together cutting-edge technology with a sporty, stylish design. Built by the French automotive brand Alpine, a subsidiary of Renault, this car represents a bold step into the future of electric performance. The A290 is designed to blend everyday practicality with the exhilarating driving dynamics that Alpine is known for. Prices are expected to start around $50,000 to $100,000, depending on the trim and options selected. This positions the A290 as an attractive option for those looking for a blend of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology in an electric package. One of the standout features of the Alpine A290 is its sleek and aerodynamic design. The exterior is characterized by sharp lines, aggressive detailing, and a distinct front fascia that reflects the brand's racing heritage. LED lighting elements, including signature headlights inspired by Alpine's motorsport legacy, give the car a futuristic appeal while maintaining a connection to its roots. The car sits on stylish alloy wheels that enhance its sporty stance, and its compact dimensions make it perfect for urban environments without compromising on performance. Step inside the A290, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit that combines luxury with a sporty edge. The interior boasts high-quality materials, including Alcantara-trimmed seats, a digital instrument cluster, and a large infotainment touchscreen that provides seamless connectivity and access to driving modes. The A290 offers a mix of modern technology and classic driving engagement, ensuring that every journey feels dynamic and engaging. Under the hood, or rather within its electric powertrain, the Alpine A290 is expected to feature a powerful electric motor, delivering impressive acceleration and torque. The vehicle is built on the same platform as the Renault 5 EV, but Alpine has fine-tuned it for a more engaging driving experience. With responsive handling and a balanced chassis, the A290 promises to deliver the fun and agility that Alpine enthusiasts expect. When it comes to range, the A290 is designed to offer a practical driving distance on a single charge, making it suitable for both city commutes and spirited weekend drives. Fast charging capabilities ensure that drivers can get back on the road quickly, adding to the car's overall convenience. As for the luxury aspect, Alpine has ensured that the A290 provides a premium feel despite its compact size. The attention to detail in the cabin, from customizable ambient lighting to advanced driver assistance features, makes it a standout option in the growing market of electric hot hatches. Now, let's talk about the price. While Alpine has not officially confirmed the final pricing, industry experts estimate that the A290 will be positioned competitively in the premium electric hatchback segment. In summary, the Alpine A290 is a stylish, performance-oriented electric hatchback that brings a unique blend of French elegance and sporty driving dynamics. With its eye-catching design, luxurious interior, and impressive electric powertrain, it's set to make a mark in the automotive world. Whether you're a driving enthusiast or someone looking for a premium EV with a sporty twist, the A290 is a car worth considering.